Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I got feeling stress and bad issues here. We're here from this analyze of these games here. So it means chess.com. So it means online chess. So I play from this chess.com. So it means so favorite hobby. So it means need to play games here. So how many clocks from this one, or maybe 5 minutes and 5 seconds increment. So I love from this blitz chess. So since I played my 5 minutes and 5 seconds increment from this blitz chess here from this one, so so it means and also have between from this one. So my name is Mark Loagi, also known the username is iCoolMark17 in the Philippines here from this one. So I came in I'm in the I'm in the Philippines here from this one. So I speak in Cebuano, Tagalog, Filipino, and English only. So idea to speak English here. So I speak English by vernacular from this one, and also versus by username is manmadk in Azerbaijan here. So let's start from this one, and I play from this one last May 4, 2025. So it means I play by online chess. So let's start in this part of this video. We have analyzed of this one in this online blitz chess in this chess.com. So white plays for me is e4, e5 Mamad K, knight f3, knight f6 escort, Petrov defense classical variation d4. So it means without classical attacks Petrov defense. So it means book lines. And also d5 book lines also, and also knight c3. So it means, so I use knight c3 from this one, but it's okay. So it means there's a problem. So these are used by double symbol moves. So it means a yellow square. So it means question mark and exclamation mark. So it means currently the best moves this one is bishop to d3. So bishop d3 here from this one. So it means these are the slightly here good examples. So it means slightly better here. So it means I use move by knight c3 because I move by attacks by knights, because the knights are threatening the knights. So targets by knights and threatening the pawns. So it means, so controls according by continuous here from this one, and also backwards knight f6 here, and also bishop g5. So without move, I move by bishop to g5 with the idea by threats the knights, or without pins by queens here from this one, or these are controls here from this one. And also h6, so it means double symbol moves by Mamad K here from this one. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to e7 with the idea by castling. So without defense, or these are the slightly goods here, betters here. So it means, so back there this one is h6 here. So it means without h6, and bishop h4. So it means another double symbol moves for me from this one. So the best moves once computer is bishop takes captured knight, and decided this one pawn takes captured. These are the dark square bishop. So it means these are the good examples here from this one. So it means, so back there this one is bishop h4 for me here, and also pawn to g5 attacks the bishop, bishop g3, and also knight h5 with the idea by threats the bishop. So it means these are novelty by black by Mamad K. So these are the old mainline good novelty is, first is bishop to b4, or second this one is bishop to g7. So these are the classical good novelty here from this one. So it means the back novelty is knight h5 with idea by threats the bishop, and also queen e2 check, and also bishop e7 with idea. So it means castling. So I think castling from these black pieces here from this one, and castling queen side for me, and also castling king side. So it means bad move by black pieces. So the best moves there, this one is knight takes accepted, capture this pawn, capture this bishop, sorry. So it means, sorry. So it means, I'm sorry I got wrong note. So it means knight takes captured bishop from this one. So slightly good examples here. So slightly better from this one. So it means so back there this one is castling. Castling king side here from this one, and also knight e5, another third double symbol moves for me. Why I decided this one is knight e5. So it means there's a problem. So what idea to forgot? I forgot the brilliant sacrifice move. So what do you think the forgot myself in this brilliant? So guessing the puzzles here from this one. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. So the best moves there's a sacrifice. Bishop takes 7. Bishop captures c7 sacrifice from this one. So if you move queen takes bishop sacrifice, knight takes pawn without sacrifice. So dia to threats the queens and bishop. So it means I use by good move. So it means good move from this one. So it means so back there. So it means knight e5 without use this one. So these are called by double symbol moves, and also g4 another double symbol moves. So it means doubles. So double symbol moves here. So the best moves there, this one is knight to g7 here. So knight g7 here from this one. So according by continuous here from this one. So these are the slightly good examples here. So slightly better from this one. So it means back there is pawn to g4 here, and also knight takes captured pawn, and also bishop g5 check without check by moves here, and also king d1 without force move here from this one, and also rook e8 with idea by disturbing the queens. So these are disturbing by queens here, so it means disturbed by threats by queens, and also queen f3 another fourth double symbol move. So it means double symbol moves. This one according this one by continuous. So the best moves there, this one is knight to captured sacrifice. Oh, sacrifice here. So sacrifice by check. If you decided this one, bishop takes captured. So bishop takes captured here from this one, and also queen captured knight. So threats the bishops here from this one, and decided this one is bishop to g7, etc, etc. So these are the slightly good examples here from this one. So it means I move by queen f3 by move side here, and also pawn to f5. So it means double symbol moves. So it means threat the knights. So stockfish from this one. So it means there's a problems from this one. So the best one's computer this one. So the best one's computer is bishop captured knight. Bishop takes captured. The idea by threatening the queens, or double. Oh, doubles from this one. So doubles by queens, and here from this one. So doubles from this one. So it means back there this pawn to f5. So it means the second puzzle. What do you think myself? I'm focusing this one, the new brilliant sacrifice move myself. So guessing the puzzles here. So white to place. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Boom! Knight takes captured h6 check. Brilliant move. So brilliant move myself for me. So it means I move by knight takes captured pawns without check. These are I'm saying that, oh my god, shock. I moved that knight takes captured h6 check. Wow. So it means I'm shocked from this one. So it means brilliant move, brilliant sacrifice move. So it means brilliant sacrifice by knight captured h6 check. And decided this bishop captured knight sacrifice, and also queen takes captured. So queen takes captured with idea by threats the bishop. So it means example. So these are the threats here. So threatening the bishops here from this one, and rook e6 defense develops by bishops here, and queen takes captured pawn, and also queen e6. So it means double symbol move. So it means, so guessing this one, so double symbol moves from this one. So the best one's computer, this one accuracy is c6 only. So it means without c6. According this one by continuous here from this one. So it means, so back there this one is queen e8 here from this one, and knight takes captured with idea by threats the pawns, or without attacks this one doubles, or maybe here by decided this one is knight to f6 check and doubles. So dangerous by blocks here. So dangerous here from this one, and rook e1. Why move rook e1? So it means, so sacrifice. So it means double symbol moves from this one. So it means double symbol moves. So the best moves here. So once computed, the best moves is knight to a6 here. So knight a6 here from this one. So it means classical moves here according by continuous. So these are the slightly goods from this one in these examples here. So good examples from this one. So back there this one is rook e1 here from this one, and also queen d3 without defense. So it means Bran X move. So according this one, the stockfish here. So it means Bran X move. So the best moves there is used by continuous knight f6 check. So that here threats the queen's check, doubles traps. So traps from this one. So trapping here. So it means without trap. Back there this one is queen d3 defends the rooks here, and bishop f5 without check. So these are the threats the queens here. Without threatening the queens here from this one, and knight takes captured with idea by doubles by queen. So it means rook. So it means does not want of this stockfish, because these are I moved this one, this determination. So it means, so the best one's computer is knight to f6 check. I missed this moves here. So it means miss move from this one. So if you decided this one is king to f7. So where this one, king f7. So if you move by king f7 and knight takes captured. So example, these are examples. I used the good move. Good move here from this one, and move rook d1, rook captured. So rook captured here, so slightly goods here. It's okay, the X move here. So X move from this one. So wrong move here. So it means knight takes captured here. So without doubles by rooks and queens, and queen e6. What happened of this Muhammad K? So it means blunderatious. So blunderatious the Muhammad K in this Azerbaijan from this one. So the best moves. So the best one's computer is bishop captured queen. Use accepting here from this one. Use accept the bishop takes captured. So if you move by here. So if you move by bishop takes captured, and decided this one, this rook to rook takes rook captured rook. So if you rook takes captured, and decided this one is queen to d8. So it means good decided this one. So I thought I lose from this whites here from this one. So I moved this one by continuations from this one. So it means examples. So back there this one is queen e6 here. So the third puzzle, what do you think the best shot, the great moves from this excellent So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Knight takes queen. Without good move. So good move from this one. Brilliant or not brilliant. Also great move from this one. Excellent move from this one. And rook captured d1 check here. So it means rook captured d1 check and queen takes captured. Oh, force move. Oh, that's good. Force move by queens here from this one. So force move here from this one and bishop takes captured knight and also queen e1. So it means queen e1. So it means double symbol moves. So these are the stock fish here from this one. So the ones computed. So the ones computed the best moves is queen to h5 with the idea by threats the bishop. So threatening the bishop, so it's slightly good from whites here. So it means back there this one is queen e1 with the threats the bishop. So threatening the bishop here, so threats the bishop here from this one and decided move bishop to f7, pawn to b3, knight c6 with idea by threats the pawns. So threatening the pawns from this one and queen e4 with the develops by pawns and rook e6 with idea threats the queens. Threatening the queens here from this one and queen g4 check, king f8 and also bishop b5 with the threats the knights or queen by rooks. So rooks from this continuous here from this one and bishop e6 with the threats the queen. So it means another double symbol moves by Azerbaijan from this one. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to g7. Wow, bishop to g7 here from this one. So it means bishop to g7. If you move by bishop to d6, check. So check from this one and decided king to g8. So examples by slightly good examples from this one. Or Nimzowitsch attack. So Nimzowitsch, according this one, Nimzowitsch attack from this one. So back there, this one is bishop e6 with the threats the queens here from this one and also queen f3 check. So it means double symbol moves. So it means double symbol moves. So the best moves there is bishop to d6 check. So it means without check from this one. So check. So slightly good for whites here from this one. So it means back there is queen f3 check and also king g8, bishop takes captured and pawn takes captured. So it means threats the pawns. So with the idea by threats the pawns here from this one and queen takes captured with the idea by threats the rooks and rook e7, bishop d6 with the threats the rooks. So threatening the rooks here from this one and rook f7 with the idea by attacks the pawns. Disturb this one, attacks these pawns and pawn f3, bishop d2 and rook d1 attacks the bishop. Bishop f4 with the idea by threatening the pawns or attacks the bishop. So bishop attacks here from this one and king b2 and a5. For example, next why don't if you capture this pawn, bishop captured. I win from whites. Lose from this, lose from blacks. So do not capture this bishop captured pawns. So it means lost the bishop. So it means a5 here and also bishop takes captured and bishop d7 attacks the queens and queen g6 check and king h6, king h8. King h8 bad move. So the best moves there is rook to g7, threatening the queens here. Oh, without upcoming by mating net. So it means king h8 here from this one and bishop e5 check and also rook g7 and the last shot from this upcoming mating net, queen captured g7 mating net. So it means mating net from this one, lost from these blocks. So the winner from this one, so I scored by 80 points by currency move here. So it means I'm winning from this one in this blitz chess here. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget to subscribe my accounts, Mark Luwagi 17, and so I speak in English, and don't forget to subscribe in this Mark Luwagi 17 part 2 to speak Filipino and Cebuano. And please don't forget to view and like up my videos here. So have a good day. Bye bye.